Life's been great. It's been a roller coaster. The year has been full of unexpected twists and turns.
What does a DGM do, or what does a project lead have to deal with on a daily basis?
Think of my role of an enabler. So there are challenges, there are problems. What can I do to be able to resolve them? What can I do to make things better for the team? I think that becomes my ultimate focus. The business stands on the foundation of people. People are happy, people are excited, people are motivated to do well. You will eventually see the business also doing well. So it is very, very important to have a constant focus on people. The priority is always to ensure that your team is feeling good about the work that they are doing.
So, Madhu, about the recent attritions, why do you think people quit, and we as organization, what can we do to prevent this?
In my opinion, I think when employees join an organization, they are there for three things. One is the learning, two is the earning, and three is the fun, right? So learning is that, how many or what kind of skills are you picking up? How are you evolving as a professional? Earning is, of course, while I've put it second on the list, I think that's where the prioritization lies for most people.
If ever you were given an opportunity to relocate to Bangalore, on the scale of 1 to 10, is this possible or not?
Well, one thing that I've learned is never say never.
So, what are your hobbies? What do you do when you have free time?
Okay, there was a time when I used to have hobbies. But I think something that has been with me constantly is listening to music. I just cannot do without music.
What are the 3 items on your bucket list, or three things that you have on your bucket list?
Then it is traveling as much as I can. Apart from that, I seriously, want to take up dancing again. And of course, being able to see my family happy in whatever they do has always been like something that I just live for.
What never fails to make you smile?
I think just the thought of my son. Yeah.